One. Hey, what's happening, Sneaker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, you already know. Before we get the video started, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got a what? Another unboxing.
Uh-oh.
Let me just
Hey,
tell you the background story before we get into this shoe. So I was getting ready for this video, and sometimes I have stuff at my front porch and stuff, and then my wife would get on me and say, "Hey, put your shoes up in the back." So I got like a little room in the back. I just throw boxes in there sometimes, and I was going through there today just seeing what I had, and then I found this box. It was like it's not even open. I'm like, what? I'm pretty sure I don't even know what this is anymore. I know it probably came around Christmas time, so uh, I can speculate it's a Jordan 11. I don't know, but then again, maybe I found something on sale because I know a lot of places during Christmas they were having the end of the year sale. So I'm here with you. You're here with me, and let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. I think based on the box, it does seem like it came with me clothing, just based on the box style that I'm familiar with. And I do like the way they put all this extra tape in there, so I'm hoping it's something good. You know, there's something valuable in there, but it's the box is taped really well. Do you have anything you want to add, my brother, while we try to get into this box?
hey, I just hope it's a pair of tennis. I hope it's a pair of J's in there.
I know, huh? Might be a.
I don't want
Oh,
I
dang!
don't I don't want both of us to be surprised.
This is the social status. So let me see. I think it possibly could be another Jordan 11. I don't know. I didn't realize. Oh wow! Oh my God! The first unboxing of the year. You're not gonna believe this. I can't believe it. Can
Uh-oh.
y'all see that?
That's that that's that
The
that's
what?
that hey, that's that black mamba. Kobe.
The year the what?
Hey,
Oh my
Kobe.
God!
Year of Kobe. Yes,
So the first
sir.
unboxing of the year. What we got?
Hey,
Kobe. That
Kobe.
is that is
That's
that
right.
ironic or what?
Hey,
This is crazy. I can't even believe it. I'm stunned myself.
hey.
So as you know, we got those what? The reverse Grinches. Woo wee!
Mm.
Reverse Grinches on hand. And I probably will do. This is just a quick unboxing right here. I probably will do another more thorough video on these. So y'all can take a look at these. Right now, we won't go too much in detail, but this is crazy. I just happened to, I didn't. I forgot. I mean, I knew I had those, but I thought it was a box upstairs. So to open up these and being the first year the shoe we unboxing with the channel is the Grinches, reverse Grinches, Kobe. So this is truly the year of the Kobe.
Yes,
And I
sir.
think that Kobe had his hand in this one because this is not planned. I swear to you, this is not planned, sneakerheads.
No, it's not.
I just saw the box. I said, hey, I told my brother before we went live, I said, hey, I found the box. I don't know what it is. And ironically, the year of the Kobe, and it would be a Kobe Pro Tro. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
Yes, sir.
My son, slash 10. Like I said, we're going a more detailed review so you can get to look at
Yes.
this beautiful shoe because I know right now in the dark it's not justice right now, but stay tuned for that. We will have a more detailed review. We're just trying to get this video out here to y'all and look forward to unboxing more sneakers with y'all. And I know me and my bro have been talking about giving back. So with you know Valentine's Day just around the corner, here we are. We're shooting this video 24 January, so we got like 10 days. If you stay tuned to the video this long, just comment what is your favorite color, and you will be entered into a free Jordan raffle. So we will be showing our love by giving a free Jordan away for Valentine's Day. Like I said, make sure you comment down below if you stayed to the video this long. But we appreciate y'all and look forward to seeing you on the next video, sneakerheads.
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.